A for apple. Next blue color B for ball. Next green color C for cat. Next brown color D for dog. Next light green color E for elephant. Next sky blue color F for fish. Next pink color G for coat. Next orange color H for hand. Next red color I for ink. Next blue color J for juice. Next yellow color K for king. Next violet color L for lemon. Next dark green color M for man. Brown color N for nose. Next green color O for orange. Next sky blue color P for prince. Next pink color Q for queen. Next orange color R for rose. Next red color S for sunflower. Next blue color. Next yellow color U for universe. Next blue color V for van. Next green color W for water. Next brown color X for X-ray. Next light green color Y for yellow. Next sky blue color Z for zoo.